Always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, 7:12 on your Sunday. If you're an early riser, you like to go for a morning walk, it's going to be cold again, and it's going to be that damp cold that we're seeing. Temperatures outside are a little misleading, as they have been for the last couple of mornings. We're in the 30s, but when the wind blows, it feels much colder than that. So Grand Rapids, for example, 36 technically, but with that wind chill factored in, because our winds are out of the southwest at a good 5 to 10 miles per hour, this is what it feels like. 30 degrees. Fremont feeling like 27. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek also feeling like 30. And then all of those 40s that were stacked up along the lakeshore, you guys are feeling like 30s. So instead of 40s, 30s. All right, so it's cold. And we have rain and snow that's rolling in off of the lake. You can see most of it over the lake itself is warm enough to be rain just because the lake water is warm. But once it gets back over into land, especially where we have that cold pool, we're seeing that conversion back over to snow at cloud level. And because our temperatures near the surface are right around 34 degrees, that is cold enough for flakes to make it most of the way to the ground, if not on the ground. So again, wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit of accumulation north of Kent County. As for Grand Rapids itself, we're expecting a rain-snow mix, not a lot of accumulation. And we haven't even seen too much roll on shore towards Kalamazoo, Van Buren, Calhoun County. We do have a lot more on tap, though, still rolling over the lake. So as you go on throughout the day, just know you have a chance of getting wet, scattered rain and snow showers, especially before noon, and then very hit and miss once we get into the afternoon. So if you're planning ahead, rain gear is most likely in the morning. Temperatures are going to be pretty miserable outside. Even once we get to the afternoon, 4 o'clock, we'll be up near 43, but the wind is going to increase, so it's going to still feel like the 30s all day. Now, I wanted to zoom out and show you what's upstream of us. We have the jet stream centered right over West Michigan, and the jet stream acts as a highway. So storm systems get on it and then they ride it wherever it goes. The jet stream for the next couple of days is going to stay centered over West Michigan. So you see all of this stuff over Wisconsin, that's headed towards us. All this stuff over Montana and North Dakota, that's headed towards us too. That's why in the next couple of days, we have rain-snow mix on tap. Tuesday, big storm forms on the jet stream, drops it way down to Texas. Long story short, that allows Arctic air to come on in, literally air from the Arctic to come on in. That's going to drop our temperatures into the 30s for highs. That's what we usually see in late December, but we're going to kind of see it a little preview a month early. Overnight lows will be in the 20s, and each day, depending on the way the wind blows, we have a chance for some of that lake effect snow. If the wind's out of the north, Mark, no snow. Indiana gets it. If the wind's out of the northwest, we could get a decent amount, at least some accumulation, so we're watching it.
Yep, and you're going to have to be careful driving out on the roads.
Yes, it's that time of year. Pump the brakes, friends. Pump the brakes.
Oh, yeah, a little bit, but not too much.
Well, I mean, like, if you get in a slide, you literally pump the brakes.
Oh, yeah, but don't slam on them.
No, don't slam. Pump.
You've been in North Carolina for a little bit. You're going to have to get your...
No, I know how to drive in the snow.
Okay, we shall see coming up this winter.
It's a long winter.
Let's take a look at